Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. How are you today? Before begin to class, please let's pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Excuse me, silakan. Oke, silakan Mr. Andi. Oke. Okay, everyone. Before check you presency, Miss Indah.
Yes, I'm ready.
Mr. Senal.
Yeah, ready.
Mr. TB.
Yes.
Miss Retno.
I'm Miss.
Mr. Andi. Okay. Today I will discussion for supply chain management. Supply chain management two system, and one system is full container load, two system less container load. Okay, let's slide. Next slide. Okay, who is supply chain management? Supply chain management is strategic process of managing the procurement, movement, and storage of material, spare part, and finished good along with the related information flow. What is the meaning in storage? Storage. Yes, penyimpanan. In meaning Indonesia, penyimpanan. The part of supply chain management, one in the port is cargo handling. In the warehouse is order handling. Next slide. In logistic. Logistic is a process that involves planning, implementing, and controlling the flow of goods. Flow of goods and information from the point of origin, the point of consumption with aim of meeting customer needs. Customer needs is service excellence. Service excellence for the parts and cargo. For the parts and cargo in the port, in the CFS, container freight station, and is in CY, container yard. Yeah. Okay. Customer needs. Logistic involves activities such transportation. Activities such as transportation. Let's see. In stevedoring. 2. Cargo dooring. 3. Delivery. 4. In receiving. There is system in logistic in the port and in warehouse. Any question? Are you understand about discussion logistic? Yes. Okay. They are very important for supply chain management. Supply chain management is a channel for the parts of distribution in shipping company in Indonesia. Next slide. Logistic is purpose. Purpose in the meaning tujuan dari logistik ini seperti apa? One, in operational efficiency. Operational efficiency, one of the goals of logistic to improve operational efficiency in the supply chain by optimizing the flow of goods. The flow of goods is cargo handling. And information logistic can reduce lead times, avoid excess stock, and minimize overall operation costs. Excess stock in stop open for storage in warehouse management. Two, the best customer service. The best customer service in logistics aims to provide better customer service by ensuring the right product, memastikan produk yang terbaik untuk customer, is service excellent, is available and the right time, in includes time delivery, efficiency, order handling, and proper fulfillment of customer requests. In the part to study problem is one, dwelling time, and overtime. Overtime is cargo handling in the ship process in loading, unloading in the remake. Next slide. 3, cost reduction. Cost reduction, one of the main goals of logistics is to reduce costs in the supply chain by management inventory, efficiency, dan optimizing shipping routes. And reducing warehouse costs, logistics can help reduce overall operating costs. 4, inventory control. Logistics also aims to control inventory well by monitoring inventory, is quality control. Okay. Any question in the parts of logistic purpose? 1, 2, 3, and 4 in cost reduction and inventory control. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. This is a function of logistics. Function of logistics in the world. In operational efficiency, to improve customer service. 3, supply chain cost reduction, and 4, increasing competitive advance. for function of logistic. Very important to supply chain management. Okay, let's see. Why logistic very important? Why logistic very important in Indonesia? Raise your hand.
Yes, maybe for logistic, our nation get tax from circulation logistic.
Yes. For tax for the tax supply chain in flow of goods is cost reduction, and they are various types of logistic versus for freight forwarding. You know that freight forwarding? Freight forwarding is a shipping lines company in the world in cargo handling, export, import, and the world by airplane. Shipping 50 and airplane 70% and 50%. Logistic is an important process in supply chain management that involves various activities to optimize the flow of goods and information. They are: you must better customer service and service excellent good for cargo handling in the part in freight forwarder. Next, for part in supply chain management. 1. Customer. 2. Planning. 3. Procurement. 4. Production. 5. Warehouse. And 6. Transportation. Please, you look at the picture. We activity, and then customer activity for staffing in the head truck for parts and cargo. This is loading, unloading, equipment cargo. This is container in 2 system less container load. Less container load is 1 delivery, 2 much receiving. Full container load, 1 delivery, 1 receiving. Any question for the system? Understood? Okay. They are for activity in supply chain management. Is the meaning in Indonesia alur and channel for 6 part of supply chain management. Next slide. Customer. Who is customer? User. That's right. Maybe user customer is party that buys or use a product or service product by company. Company is shipping lines. Customer can be individuals, organization, or business that need product or service. This is Mr. TB. Mr. Indah and Miss Indah and Miss Retno. Okay. Next slide. Nah, they are planning for supply chain management. Planning for supply chain management is process in distribution of the cargo and parts. 1. Supplier. What is the meaning supplier? Supplier to manufacture. 1. Process. Supplier to manufacture. 3. Distribution. Yes. In transportation, start with the port and the last in warehouse. Retailers and shopper. Terus marketing, development, operation, and sales. Do you know Toko Orange? Toko Orange? Shopee? Yes. Shopee is remake planning for supply chain. Shopee. Supply chain planning is a forward-looking process that aims to optimize delivery of goods, service, and information from suppliers to customer while balancing supply and demand. This process is essential for business to optimize operation, increase efficiency. Now, right? Efficiency. Efficiency is penghematan. Yes, penghematan. Yes, reduce cost and create happy customer, happy shopping in Toko Orange. After it. Okay. Next, procurement to supply chain. Procurement to supply chain versus e-purchasing. Is procurement to supply chain management. In PIP Semarang, e-purchasing. E-purchasing, do you know e-purchasing? Pengadaan barang. Procurement is part supply chain management that focus on the purchasing goods and service. Procurement plays a vital role. Vital role is shipping line, parts, remake to play vital role, and finish is dollar. Procurement plays a vital role in maintaining a strong supply chain. SCM, supply chain management. Okay, let's see. Please look at this. Please look at this picture. in the production for supply chain management. Production for supply chain management is one of the stakes in supply chain management. Is series of activities. Series activities is of product planning, management, dan activation. Production stakes in SCM, product design, product production, product testing, and product packing. Packing in parts in the cargo, in the textile. Okay, next slide. Yes. Warehouse. Warehouse is that part of firm's logistic. There are system warehouse for SCM. 1. In plan. 2. Source. 3. Make. 4. Stores and customers. 5. Delivery, getting it where it needs to be. 6. Return, bring in the bag for repair or when it's not needed. Okay. Next. Please raise your hands. Who is in transportation for distribution, logistic, supply chain management? 1. Train. 2. Truck. This is plan. The last. Gantry crane, loading, unloading in the equipment. There are 4 plays a vital role in supply chain management. As the move goods from one place to other, transportation also includes managing and monitoring the flow of goods. Any question for discussion for supply chain management? Hello, Kadet. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Before close the class, I will hambuk ya. Hambuknya to into the group discussion for the supply chain management. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for attention. Happy weekend, happy fasting, and happy ngabuburit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.